Not sure how to use your Mitsubishi AC Remote? Model number RYA502A007A. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Mitsubishi AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The high power button instantly boosts the air conditioner's cooling or heating performance to its maximum level, quickly reaching your desired temperature before returning to normal operation automatically. Econo Cool is an energy-saving mode that adjusts the airflow direction and temperature automatically to maintain comfort with minimal power consumption. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. Press the ACL button to reset the remote control's internal memory and restore default settings. Use this function if the remote is not responding properly or after replacing the batteries. The time button allows you to set or adjust the device's clock, letting you update hours and minutes for accurate timing functions. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Mitsubishi AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.